Yo, what's up everyone? It's your name back with another video, and let me tell you, this one's about something huge that's happening right now. I'm talking about AI, artificial intelligence, and how it's changing the game, like, literally changing the way things work. We've all heard about AI, right? It's been the buzzword for a while now, but this isn't just hype, guys, this is real. AI is stepping up and doing things that used to be, like, exclusively human territory. We're talking writing, designing, even customer service, and yeah, that means some jobs are being replaced, and this is a big but, it's not all doom and gloom. Today we're diving deep into 3 AI tools that are shaking things up, and more importantly, I'm going to show you how you can use these tools to your advantage. Because here's the thing, AI might be coming for some jobs, but it's also creating new opportunities. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unpack this AI revolution together. First up, we've got ChatGPT, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast. We're talking next-level language processing here. Like, imagine having a conversation with a computer that not only understands what you're saying, but can actually respond in a way that's, like, scarily human. Now, you might be thinking, okay, cool, talking computers, that's neat. But hold on, because ChatGPT is doing way more than just chatting. This AI is straight up replacing jobs, and it's doing it in some pretty surprising ways. Writers and copywriters, listen up, because this one's for you. ChatGPT can crank out articles, blog posts, even marketing copy in minutes. And I'm not talking about some clunky, robotic writing either. This stuff is good, like scarily good, but it doesn't stop there. Customer support agents, you're not off the hook either. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT are handling a massive chunk of customer queries, like up to 90% in some cases. They're available 24/7, they're patient, and they never call in sick. And if you thought your job as a tutor or consultant was safe, think again. ChatGPT can tap into a vast database of knowledge and spit out expert-level answers to almost any question you throw at it. It's like having a walking, talking encyclopedia at your fingertips. So where does that leave us humans? Well, here's the thing. Instead of trying to compete with AI, we need to learn how to leverage it. Think about it. Businesses are scrambling to integrate AI into their operations, which means they need people who understand this technology. That's where you come in. You can become an AI expert, offering services like AI-powered writing or building custom chatbots for companies. The demand for these skills is only going to increase, so it's a smart move to get ahead of the curve. Next up, we're jumping into the world of art and design with Midjourney, and let me tell you, this AI is a straight-up artist. I'm talking about creating stunning visuals, from logos and illustrations to photorealistic images and even abstract art. Now, if you're a creative professional, you might be feeling a little uneasy right now, and I get it. Midjourney is disrupting the design industry in a major way. Logo designers, for example, are feeling the heat. This AI can whip up professional-looking logos in seconds, and I'm not talking about generic templates either. We're talking about unique, custom designs that are tailored to your brand. But it's not just logos. Midjourney is coming for illustrators and artists too. This AI can generate incredibly realistic and creative images, from landscapes and portraits to fantasy creatures and abstract compositions. It's like having a team of digital artists at your beck and call, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life. And if you're in marketing, you know how important visuals are for grabbing attention. Well, Midjourney is a game changer for creating eye-catching ads, banners, and even YouTube thumbnails. It's like having a personal design assistant that can churn out high-quality visuals on demand. But hold on. Before you panic and throw your Wacom tablet out the window, let's talk about how you can use Midjourney to your advantage. Because here's the thing, this AI is a powerful tool, and like any tool, it's all about how you use it. One word, entrepreneurship. Midjourney opens up a world of possibilities for starting your own design business. Imagine selling AI-generated designs on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. You could create custom logos, illustrations, even print-on-demand designs for t-shirts, mugs, you name it. The demand for unique, affordable designs is huge, and with Midjourney, you can tap into that market without needing years of design experience. It's like having a secret weapon that can help you build a successful business from the ground up. Alright, moving on to our final AI contender, and this one's for all the video creators out there. Pictory AI is here to shake things up in the world of video editing, and let me tell you, this AI is a game changer. Now, if you've ever edited a video, you know it can be a time-consuming process, but Pictory AI is like having a team of virtual editors working behind the scenes, automating tasks and making your life a whole lot easier. Video editors, listen up, because this one's for you. Pictory AI can handle all the tedious stuff, like adding subtitles, trimming footage, and even creating short clips from longer videos. It's like having an assistant editor that can take care of the grunt work so you can focus on the creative stuff. But here's where it gets really interesting. YouTubers, content creators, get ready to have your minds blown. Pictory AI can generate those faceless videos that are all the rage right now. You know, the ones with the AI voiceover and the stock footage or animations? Yeah, those. Pictory AI can create those in minutes, which means you can pump out content faster than ever before. And if you're a social media manager, you know how important video is for engagement. But repurposing long-form videos into bite-sized content for platforms like TikTok and Instagram can be a pain. Well, Pictory AI makes it a breeze. It can automatically identify the most engaging parts of your videos and turn them into viral-worthy shorts. So, what does this mean for the future of video editing? Well, it's clear that AI is going to play a major role. But instead of fearing the robot takeover, why not embrace the change? Pictory AI is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your workflow, create better content, and reach a wider audience. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech whiz to use it. Pictory AI is incredibly user-friendly even if you're a complete beginner, so whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, Pictory AI can help you level up your video game. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground today, and I know it can be a little overwhelming to think about all the ways AI is changing the game, but here's the thing, AI is not the enemy, it's a tool. And like any tool, it's all about how you use it. Instead of being afraid of being replaced, why not learn how to use AI to your advantage? Become an AI expert, start a business, or simply use these tools to enhance your existing skills. The possibilities are endless. So what do you think? Which AI tool do you think will have the biggest impact on the job market? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about AI business ideas, hit that subscribe button and join the AI revolution. Until next time, peace.